Good day everybody and welcome to another Amazon PPC newsflash. Today is all about Helium 10 that appears to have been acquired by a company called Assembly. I only just stumbled upon this more or less by accident, and the only article I could find about it was on Bloomberg.com, where they mentioned that this Assembly company, which apparently is all about buying tools for e-commerce, they have now also got Helium 10 in their pocket. The only other tool that they seem to have is Order Metrics, but nonetheless it is a sign that Helium 10 really is going places now in the hands of Assembly, and it's pretty much in line with the rebranding from a couple of weeks ago. And I have to say their new logo really does look quite a bit more professional than it used to. So this is probably a sign that they're really going after the bigger sellers now as well, perhaps even the vendors, and opening themselves up to appear more professional and more attractive to, well, professional companies out there. So that is certainly another sign of things to come from Helium 10. And speaking of, they also have an ads tool. I was a little bit disappointed by it when I saw the release a couple of weeks ago, which I talked about in that video, simply because it wasn't quite the revolution that they made it out to be, and it also didn't really have any automation yet. But that has changed now because they do have automation for your bids management now. And just to give you a little sneak peek in one of my next videos, in which I'll give you a huge overview of all Amazon PPC tools, they are now not bottom of the list anymore, but slowly creeping up that list. Although, as you can see, there's still a ton of tools above them in terms of how many features they have for PPC management and especially for PPC automation. So still some way to go for Helium 10 ads. But like I said, with the acquisition and now automation coming, they are probably a force to be reckoned with in the Amazon PPC software scene now as well. And that's already it for this Amazon PPC newsflash on July 9th, 2020. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great rest of the day.